how to trade gold stickers on Monopoly Go. So actually we finally have an event that lets us trade golden stickers. So as you can see, you have the option to send ones and also to ask for stickers. So if we just press on send right here, you can select whichever friend you wanna send it to. So for example, let's send it to my first friend right here. Send golden sticker. The person will receive your special sticker next time they play. So I'm just going to send this. And now, as you can see, I no longer have two of those, I just have one. And if I wanna do the, if I need one, I can just ask for it, and you can just write on their Facebook page for the sticker, and then the people can add you, and you can trade stickers as you would normally. So those are two ways of how you can actually trade gold stickers now in Monopoly Go. So you just gotta wait for this event to pop up again. So it's a good thing that we can actually get gold stickers now. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.